Hello everyone, welcome to PSIR 300 Plus channel. This is me, your super educator Sayesh Shudyatula. This is going to be very dramatic. Why? Because Mr. Donald Trump has not won the Nobel Peace Prize. I don't know where he's sitting and crying, but he has not won it, and the award has went to, and the award has went to 2025 Nobel Peace Prize award has been given to the very courageous, the very beautiful, the very brave woman of Venezuela, Miss Maria Machado. Just see the brightness on her face, see the vigor on her face, the rebellion attitude on her face. Why she is doing all of that? In order to secure what? Political rights for the Venezuelans. Political rights for the Venezuelans. So you can see here very clearly. Okay. Nobel Peace Prize 2025, Venezuela's opposition leader, just like we are having Rahul Gandhi, in the same way, in a Venezuela country, the opposition is being led by Miss Machado, okay, has been awarded for her fearless work to promote democratic rights. That is why she has been awarded Nobel Peace Prize 2025. So before going into the discussion, we have already known who has won. Let us also see where this Venezuela is situated. So you can see here, this is our South America, and in the South America at the top you are having what? Venezuela. Venezuela is here, and Venezuela is having what? Atlantic Ocean as its border. It does not have the Pacific Ocean. It has the only Atlantic Ocean at the border, and it has been like just above Venezuela we are having what? Caribbean Sea, and Venezuela capital is Caracas. Venezuela capital is Caracas. Let us also see the another important map of Venezuela. You can see here, this is how the Venezuela looks like in the zoom in. Okay, here is the capital. If you see, as a what I say is that geography or UPSC prelims student, you should also be knowing that a very important river is there, Orinoco. Orinoco flows in the Venezuela, the Llanaus. These are nothing but grasslands. Grasslands of Venezuela are called as what? Llanaus. So many of the things, please try to identify with regard to Venezuela, because she has won it, so that particular country may come in the examination. I hope Venezuela, with regard to Venezuela location and Venezuela capital, river Orinoco, all of this has been clear to you. Let us go ahead in our discussion. Okay, fine, chalo. Now, it is very important for all of us to understand why she has been given the Nobel Peace Prize. So tensions in Venezuela is running high because when the government control electoral authority, means government in Venezuela, whoever the conduct the election, just like in our country, Election Commission of India conduct the elections or not? Yes, for the president, prime minister. In the same way, in Venezuela they are having their own election commission. This election commission, it is being said that has been undergone complete control with regard to the president of Venezuela. So there, that's why it is called as government control electoral authority, declared Nicolas Maduro the winner of presidential election of Venezuela for state third consecutive times. So he won first time, he won second time, third time also he only became the president. Okay, so people are thinking, and opposition leaders are thinking, that he has not won the election on merit. He has won the elections because he has controlled the election authority of the country, and with the help of election authority he has rigged the complete elections and again asked them to declare him as the third consecutive term president of Venezuela. So people did not believe, the opposition did not believe. Not only the election has been described as undemocratic by the independent observers, okay, the results announced by National Electoral Council, means just like in India we are having Election Commission of India, in Venezuela we are having National Election Electoral Council. They have also dismissed. They said that no, all the elections were very good. So many of the international observers, they said that Venezuela elections for the third consecutive time is not the elections which are done on free and fair way. So but the election commission of Venezuela has said that there is no fraud happen. The European Union, means all the 28 states, United States, America, Latin America, all these nations has refused to recognize the results. They all said that Okay, third time the Nicolas has won the elections. We don't recognize the third time elections was fair and free. So, but he got elected because the National Electoral Council of Venezuela has said that everything was very fair with regard to the elections. So it is the third time the Nicolas is coming to the power. Many of the oppositions leaders have said that something has happened with regard to the election. International observers, many of the countries have said that the elections was completely rigged. No one was actually voicing this. And all of a sudden stood whom? Miss Machado. She stood up, united the opposition, and led a continuous campaign with regard to securing political rights of the citizen. So waves of anti-government protests started in the year 2014. This is what you can see. 2017 fizzled out after a police crackdown. Millions of Venezuelans left the country to escape the economic hardship, political repression also. In this growing discontent, Mr. Maduro was re-elected in 2018 in a presidential elections, widely dismissed as neither free nor fair. And at this juncture only, Miss Machado, the Nobel Prize winner, she stood up and she said that I will lead the campaign against this authoritarian, the dictator of Venezuela, okay, Nicolas. So that is how the complete story of her started. Clear? Okay. Now, I would also want to throw some light with regard to what is the meaning of political rights. Okay, what is the meaning of political rights? In India, we do have political rights. Constitution has given us. Legally, also, we are having political rights. So, political rights are nothing but right to vote. Under Article 344, it is given to us. Right to contest elections. You can do for president to the prime minister to the MP, MLA, for the local body. We can contest election. We can form our own political party. No one will stop you. We can form associations. Okay, we can form unions. We can form organizations which act as a pressure groups on the government with regard to policy making. We can criticize the government. We can appreciate the government. We are allowed a complete transparency with regard to how the elections are being performed in our country. Whatever happens with regard to our election, we'll directly go and jump where? Supreme Court, right or wrong? Yes. If all of these are given in a very transparent to each and every individual without any police crackdown, without any repressive laws, then we call it as political rights has been properly given. So I hope what is the meaning of political rights you got it, and that is what Miss Machado has fought against the dictatorship, because he is not giving the rights for the political activists to actually go or show their dissent against the third time elected president Nicolas. Now, now the second important area of our discussion is Mr. Donald Trump. Let us see what he is saying. He said that I don't know what they are going to do, means what the Nobel Prize committee will do, really. But nobody, and he said that nobody in the history has solved 8 words, but I have done in my tenure. So I should be given the Nobel Prize, he said. And the words that he is talking about, it is Israel and Iran war, Democratic Republic of Congo and Rwanda war, Cambodia and Thailand war, India, Pakistan, obviously we said you did not do anything, Serbia and Kosovo, Egypt and Ethiopia, Azerbaijan, Armenia, Israel and Hamas conflict also. So Mr. Donald Trump is saying that, see, all of these war has been stopped during my tenure. So I am responsible for the peace across the world. Several countries also supported his claim, saying that even Israel, Pakistan, Azerbaijan, Armenia, Thailand, Cambodia, they all have nominated Mr. Trump, okay, and credited him with the mediating several long-standing conflict. Trump himself has repeatedly made his case for the Peace Prize, he himself has said. Okay, now that is all about Mr. Donald Trump and his claims with regard to why he should be winning the Nobel Peace Prize. Now Miss Machado has won it, so she has been announced today only, that is on Friday in Oslo. Okay, making a pinnacle of a Nobel Week. The prestigious award was given by Norwegian Nobel Committee, and 338 nominations were there this year, including 244 individuals, 94 organizations. It means what? Nobel Peace Prize is also given not only to the individual but also to the organization. I hope this is all clear to you. Do spread this lecture to all of your friends. Follow my channel, subscribe to my channel, and also write in the comment section what else you want and how it should be done, what topics you want me to teach, and do join my PSA classes, test series, and mentorship. I'll more happy when you're associated with me. Let us do together. Let us drive your mains examination, mains cutoff with the help of PSIR 300 plus, where we will generally try to secure 350 marks, with the help of which the mains cutoff will be just awesome. Okay, take care, have a nice day. Stay tuned for more updates and current affairs. This is signing off, Sayesh Shujatullah. Have a nice day.